Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get shed. Get the shed. Now, the other day, as I said, I put a sub on. And I also did some rust killing. I did some painting, decorating, and I knocked the crank pulley off. Now, I've got to find another pulley, which means I've got to go look over there. So I think I've got one, I've just got to find it. And in fact, I've got loads of crap and stuff. Nothing much else happened on the thing. The weather was too cold. And just as sort of a one here for the English viewers, I'm supposedly getting the vaccine tomorrow. Possibly, I don't know why, possibly because I'm a high risk. Anyway, so yeah, so this could be, this is why I'm doing it, this could be the last video I ever do. If the vaccine gets me, or a reaction to the vaccine gets me, then I won't finish it, but I will possibly be up there on a cloud. No, I'm not going there, I'm going downstairs where it's such a wall. I got friends down there, I've got some good friends down there. So I'd rather go downstairs where it's warm, where I can meet up with all my mates, and what I will say is I will be praying for this car that somebody will finish it, and I hope they will, because in reality it deserves to live. It's come a long way and I've got it this far. It's just wants to put it back together now. So we do everything we do now between now and 12 o'clock tomorrow for that injection, because I have got my arms hurting like hell, but I got really cold up into the night. And I've had like this bloody flu. I don't know where it could be some variation of COVID. I've no idea. Who knows? No one has a clue, do they? So I'm just trying to get as much done as I can. So I'm coming out here today to really just record this, just for the sake of the fact that it'll be found on the video if anything went wrong. I'm assuming it won't, like everyone always does, but you never know. So as I said, whether they'll do it since I've got bloody flu, I don't know. I think I got cold a bit. I got very, very hot doing that engine. My hair got wet and then it went really cold. So, as I said to you before, guys, I'm going to bring this around here, just put it there. Look, time is precious. You've got to waste it wisely, right? And well, you can't do anything worse than wasting it on putting a car together, can you? Can't be any worse. Because you know why? We only come down here once. We get, I don't know, and it seems like you get more years but less quality time and less money to do it with. So I will say that, you know, I think I've done a good innings, so I can't complain. I'm going to just tidy up the tools, possibly get the engine up vertical on some bits of wood. I'd love to get it onto something where I can move it about, but I just don't trust any of these frames. That one possibly. Maybe I'll get onto that one. Yeah, alright guys, so I don't know whether you want to watch this, it's up to you. I don't think you do. But I'm going to try and drag all that engine crate over to here. Try and lift that engine with wood underneath it so I don't do any damage to this, because this is what worries me, all this here. This sits down low and this is going to bend. So I've got to get the engine sort of gently back over. Couldn't even take that stud out to avoid damaging it, perhaps. But we'll see. So yeah, so I might take that stud out to avoid damaging it. I think in fact I'm probably going to. But yeah, so that'll come over, and then I could just prod about looking for what else is missing. And as I said, hopefully I'll find a pulley. I know where the gearbox is, but I can't get it, and I know where the bolts are. And if I stick the engine up on here on some bits of wood, then I can assemble the clutch. I can assemble everything. Worst case scenario, I can even get it running. She's up on the frame. I've got it sort of set so I can hopefully get the gearbox over at housing, crankshaft pulley, distributor, slightly the other odds and sods, and make sure it cranks over. I get my starter motor organised. I've got to get some clean bit of oil down here, hoover some of this crap out of it, some WD-40 into the valves because they look a bit dry, and I'd still need to clean the block out because the block is absolutely clogged. So, but anyway, so well, that's next on the agenda. I'm not going to touch the head studs because I don't want to. I will only do that if and when I'm ready. So we'll see. But for the minute, I just want to say, guys, like, come on, it's coming on. Engine on there, bellows and gearbox, clutch arm, bolts next. I've got to find a water pump. I've got a load of them. I've got a load of water pumps, but I've got to find the one that's the right size impeller. I need an early one, so shouldn't be the end of the world to find an early one. I think I've probably got one here somewhere, so that'll be all right. And as I said, that pulley. If it'll line up with the water pump pulley, then I can adjust the dynamo, the alternator one. So I'm gonna you might not even try to use the Jet E Type one, which I think I've got over there in those drawers. There's two over there, so if not, we will find something. That's definitely a different damper on that engine to the damper over there, so it's just a matter of getting the right damper. I'm not sure what the damper even is on there, to be honest. I have no idea what it could just be series XJ6. Could be anything, couldn't it, really? Well, who knows. Anyway, so like I said, guys, that's engine. Got to get it high enough to clear, get the sump bolt in. I took the bolts out of there for the thing. I've got my oil filter housing, got my bolts over there, but that won't be going on until the engine's in. So the next thing is gearbox and starter motor, crank pulley, and I might leave the oil bypass hose for the minute until later on, but I think it'll definitely be I don't want to put the pulley on permanently, but I will try the pulley with the water pump. I'll try to get the plugs out of it, and I'm going to get them heads soaking and get the block clean. And then, like I said, the only other thing there will be bell housing, gearbox, and well, we can engine mounts, and we can be moving on. Weather's getting warmer now, so in theory, guys, summer's over. I'm getting me COVID tomorrow, and as I said, that's done, props done, suspension's done, carburetors are done. Yeah. And I think you've seen so much of the paintwork, so once I get maybe a little bit of help, I'll have a go at some more. But since this could be my last on Earth, I think I might have to have a drink anyway. So anyway, guys, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep following us around. I know we're a bit all over the place with the cars, but I got too many, and it's really hard. But this one is a priority, so I'm trying real hard to do this one. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye for now.